Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of living in a pet hair nightmare, with fluffy fur covering every inch of your floor? Well, say goodbye to those pesky hairs with the robot vacuum and mop for pet hair by ZC Was. This game-changing device is a top-rated bestseller, and for good reason. It's packed with smart tech that makes cleaning a breeze. With its ability to work with Google Assistant voice commands, you can simply tell it to start cleaning and let it do its magic. The 3D sensors detect stairs, furniture, and delicate objects, avoiding collisions with ease, and its ultra-slim height of 2.87 inches allows it to glide seamlessly under beds and cabinets, achieving an impressive 98% floor coverage. As it glides across your floor, you'll notice the soft hum of the motor and the gentle whir of the brushes picking up pet hair with ease, leaving your floor feeling smooth and looking pristine. The result is a floor that's not only clean but also quiet, with no more creaks and groans from dust and dirt. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's a total game changer for pet owners. Whether you're running a busy household or just want to keep your home tidy, this robot vacuum and mop is the perfect solution. With its smart home and obstacle avoidance features, you can trust it to get the job done without any hassle. And when you're not using it, the compact design makes it easy to store away, taking up less space than a traditional vacuum. So why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself, your floors, and your pets will thank you. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.